Every drop counts. Chapter 6. This chapter is related to the water. As you know, the water is very essential for us. We cannot survive without a water. And in this, we will learn how the water is important for us. So, come to our first topic, that is long ago. This is a picture of Ghat Sisar. As you can see the picture on your right side, that is a picture of a Ghat Sisar. Sar means actually a lake. King Ghatsi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of the people. Ghatsi, who is a king of Jaisalmer, has made this lake about 650 years ago with the help of some peoples. All around the lake there are ghats with steps leading to the water, decorated verandas, large halls, rooms and much more. As they were saying, as you can see the ghat, all around the ghat you will see a lakes with a step leading, means आपको वहाँ पर आपको सीढ़ियाँ दिखाई देंगी to the water, and you can see a decorated veranda, large hall, you can see rooms and many more things you can see. People come here to celebrate festivals and for program of music and dance. Peoples were coming there to celebrate their rituals, their festivals and do a program by a music and a dance. Children come to study in the school on the ghats, and children were also coming there on the ghat to study. The talab belonged to everyone and everyone took care to keep it clean. Means everyone comes here for the study, for celebrating their festivals, rituals and doing a program. So for all these, all peoples were belong to this talab. So everyone took care a talab and keep it clean as always. Rainwater collected in this lake spread over many miles. As you can see the lake, in this lake the rainwater will collect, all means whatever rain will come, it will collect in this lake. It was made in such a way that when the lake was full, the extra water flowed into another lake at a lower level. When that too filled up, the extra water flowed into the next lake. This way all 9 lakes filled up. What happened? They were saying whenever the rainwater collects in the lake and the lake were overflowed, मतलब ज़्यादा हो जाता है, then what happened? Some water will go through or flow through to the next lake, and second lake also filled. At that time that water will go to third lake, then third lake was filled, then it will go to fourth lake. So by this process it will take 9 lakes to fill all the water. Okay, this rainwater could be used throughout the year, and this water, these 9 lakes water, they will used throughout the year. Today Ghat Sisar is no more in use, means in today's time many peoples were not using this Ghat Sisar water. Many new buildings and colonies have come up in between those 9 lakes. Now what happened in these, means whatever the gap in between 2 lakes, 2 lakes के बीच में जितना भी gap होता है, that many peoples were made their buildings and colony in between them. Now the water does not collected in these lakes. Rainwater just flows away and is wasted. Now what happened? They have made it a building and a colony in between the lakes, and because of this the water does not go to other lake and it was wasted. वो क्या हो जाता है? Waste हो जाता है. Now through the eyes of Al-Biruni, more than 1,000 years ago, a traveler came to India. His name was Al-Biruni. Means 1,000 years ago, one traveler came to India. उसका नाम क्या था? अल्बिरोनी. The place that he come from is now called Uzbekistan. When means the place he comes where? Uzbekistan. Al-Biruni carefully observed and noted down the details of all that he saw. Means whatever he has observed in India, he has noted down all the details. He wrote specially about those things that he found very different from his own country. Means whatever things he has found that is different from his country to our country, he has noted down all the details. Here is a part of what he wrote about the pond of that time, and means he has written some portion of our India about the pond. इंडिया में पॉन्ड के बारे में उसने कुछ पोर्शन he has noted down. What are these? The people here are very skilled at making ponds. Many countrymen would be surprised to see them. They pile up huge rocks and join them with an iron rod to build chabutras. What they were saying? They were saying, means Al-Biruni has written that many peoples were there in the India who were very skilled at making the ponds, and means our countryman can see surprised to see that, means they have a skill to make that pond. And how they have made a pond? They have piled up huge rocks and joined them in a iron rod. Means जो बड़े बड़े rocks थे, they have piled up, उनको pile up करके with the iron rod की मदद से they have made it a chabutras. All around the lake, between these, there are rows of long staircases going up and down. And what they have made it? They have made it as staircases to go down and to come up. The steps for going up and coming down are separate. Means they have made a staircase separate. One staircase for to go down and one staircase to come up. So there is less crowding. That is the reason there is no crowd at all. Today, when we study history, we can learn a lot about those days from the writing of Al-Biruni. This stamp came out in 1973, 1000 years after his birth. Means as you can see the history, you can read a lot of what Al-Biruni has wrote it down. See, this is the place of Uzbekistan in the map, okay, and at the right side you can see the Chabutra. He is Al-Biruni, who has noted down all the details whatever he found in India. Observe and find out. Look at the area around your school. Are there any field, farms, pakka roads, streams, etc.? Is the area sloping, rocky or flat? Think what will happen here when it rains. Where will the rain water go? Into the drains, pipes or pits? Is some water also getting soaked into the soil? As you can see, the water is collected on the roads and it will go through the pipe. आपको pits दिखाई दे रहे हैं. It will go to the drains or pits and some water will go under the ground. कुछ आपको first picture you can see the water is there on the road. In second picture you can see it will go to drains, pipes, pits, okay, and in the third picture the water absorbed in the ground. जैसे sponge क्या करता है, observe कर लेता है water को. In a same way water means ground observe all the water, means soil, all the soil observed all the water. Beside Jaisalmer, drop by drop. Next topic. Beside Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan get very little rainfall. Here it rains for only a few days in the entire year. Sometimes not even at that much. The river here do not have water all around the year. What they were saying, as you can see the map of Rajasthan, that blue one, that red one, जो आप पूरा रेड पोर्शन देख रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स हेयर यू विल नॉट सी अ वाटर एट ऑल, मीन्स रेनफॉल एट ऑल. ओके, and in the yellow portion you can see rainfall, some little bit you can see a rainfall, and in a green places you can see a rainfall. ठीक है, मीन्स रेड वाले पोर्शन में आपको बिल्कुल रेनफॉल नहीं मिलेगी, एंड इन द येलो वन यू कैन सी अ लिटिल बिट, थोड़ी बहुत आपको रेनफॉल दिखाई देगी, एंड इन द ग्रीन पोर्शन थोड़ी बहुत वहाँ पर भी रेनफॉल हो जाती है. ओके, and yet most of the villages in these area did not have a shortage of water, और इसके बावजूद they did not get a shortage of water. Do you know why? Because people know that every drop of water was precious, because they know they cannot survive without a water, and water is very precious for them. That's why lakes and johars were made to collect water. That's why what they have done, they have made a lakes and johars to collect some water, and that water they can use at that time whenever they will not get a proper water. Water was everyone's need. As they know, water was everyone's need. One and all come together in this work, be it a businessman or a laborer. Means what they were saying, as they know water is very essential for them, so one and all come together to collect the water in the lakes and johars. Whenever means चाहे वो businessman हो or a laborer, or will come together. See, this is a place, or we can say this is a lake, okay, where the people have collected water, which they will use throughout the year. Some water from the lake soaked into the ground and reached the wells and bawlis. The soil of the area also become wet and fertile. Means whatever the water they are collecting in the lakes, okay, in the lakes, it will go to the ground, okay, automatically it will go to the ground and reach the well and bawlis. And some water the soil will observed, and because of the observing that water, the soil become wet and fertile. As you can see the wells, okay, this is the well or a bawdi we can say in Rajasthan. Every house had a system to collect the rainwater. Means in Rajasthan you can see at every house you will see a system to collect the water, rainwater. Look at the picture on your right. How do you think the rainwater that falls on the roof will reach the underground tank? Draw a path. As you can see, this is a house, okay, and in their roof the rainwater collected, and through that rainwater it will go through a pipeline, and after that water will go to their tank. See, the water from the roofs go to the pipe, okay, the what rainwater means, water means rainwater. The rainwater go from the roof and goes to the pipe से जाता है, and these pipes carry the water to the underground tank, and that water it will go in a pipe, and after that it will go to the underground tank. उसके बाद वो किस में जाता है? underground tank में. Have you ever seen a step well? Look at the picture. See, this is a step well of a picture, okay. Can you imagine by looking at the picture that steps go down several stories deep instead of drawing the water up from the well? The people could go down the steps and reach the water. That is why they are called step wells. See the picture. See, under the ground you can see the water, right? And they have made it as steps, means सीढ़ियाँ बनाई गई हैं. That is why we call step wells, यानी कि सीढ़ियों से चढ़ के वो नीचे जाते हैं. They will go down and take out the water and they will come up. वो पानी निकाल के ऊपर आते हैं. That is why this process we called as step wells. इसी वजह से इसका नाम क्या है? Step wells. Long ago, people used to make long journey with their caravans of animals and goods. In earlier times, people used to go one place to another, ठीक है, with their caravans, with their animals and their goods. People felt it was a good thing to give water to thirsty travelers. Earlier peoples, they were thinking that is a good thing to give water who is a thirsty, and or we can say a traveler who came for a long journey, so we will give some water to them. Thus they built many beautiful step wells. That is why they have made it a very beautiful step wells. उन्होंने क्या बनाए? Step wells बनाए. As you can see in the first picture, means there are the travelers. वो travelers हैं who is coming with their animals and with their goods. And in the second picture, they have made it a beautiful step wells. And with this step well, they will drink a water. These are some questions like the first one, have you ever faced a shortage of water in your area? If yes, then what was the reason for it? Talk to your grandmother or any elderly person, find out when they were of your age. When the Jal board do not supply the water properly, we face water shortage. What happened? जब आपकी जल बोर्ड से आपको पानी का सप्लाई नहीं होता है, then you will face what? You will face water shortage. Second question, from where did they get water from the house? Has there been a change now? They used to get water from the rivers, wells, hand pumps, etc. Now we get water from pipelines of Jal board. Earlier, peoples were collecting water from where? From river, wells, hand pumps, okay. And nowadays, you will take a water or you will collect a water from the pipeline of जल बोर्ड. जल बोर्ड से आपके वहाँ जो पाइपलाइन लगा है, with the help of a pipeline you will collect a water. Third question, what kind of water arrangements were made for travelers? For example, pyao, masak means a leather bag or any other. Now what do people do about water when they travel? Means nowadays what you will carry with you, ठीक है, how you will carry a water in your water bottle. Means nowadays when you are traveling from one place to another or doing a long journey, what you will do, you will take your water bottle to drink a water.